How to download Procreate trial for free. So if you want to download the Procreate trial for free, then what you need to do is first open up a browser. Any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you need to go with the search. And under search, you need to search for support. And once you've searched, and here you need to simply go with help and support option. Once you go with help and support, here you just need to simply scroll down, and here on the right side you will have support option. Click on support and it will take you to the support. So you just need to simply choose a selection and you will get this kind of interface, which is talk to the team. Now you just need to simply select or choose a selection. So for example, I'll be choosing a selection, which is, once you choose the option, now click on next, and you need to choose a product in which you're dealing a problem. So I'll be choosing Procreate.com, and you need to select the operating system and then select the browser and go with next. And you need to enter your name, your email address, and again confirm your email address. And here you need to enter the message, or you can also attach some files by dragging and dropping or selecting them. And click on I agree to the follow, the code of conduct, and I understand the privacy policy. And here under the message, you need to write a message which is, hello dear Procreate team. Actually, I wanted to ask you for a free trial of Procreate. I wanted to buy the product, but before purchasing or before buying the product, I wanted to check the software properly. So I would like to request you to give me a free trial of Procreate. And once you enter all of that, you just need to simply go with submit, which is on the bottom right. And once you've submitted, then Procreate will be able to give you the free trial. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.